Hello, students. Today we will do the poem Kar Chale Hum Fida, and the poet is Kafi Azmi. So, this poem tells about the bravery and sacrifice of our Indian soldiers during the Indo-China War of 1962. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Sathio is the countryman. So the soldiers are telling to the countrymen that now we are sacrificing our life, and the responsibility of the country is in your hands. Vatan is country. Sathiyo, deshvasiyo, countrymen. Fida, sacrifice. सांस थमती गई, नफ्स झमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को ना रुकने दिया. थमना actually means stop. Jamna is freeze. So it was difficult for us to breathe because of the freezing cold. Our pulse were also getting freezed. फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को ना रुकने दिया. But we didn't stop. We were moving forward. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने ना झुकने दिया. We sacrificed our head for our country, and we don't have any sorrow for this. And we the Himalaya is the proud of India. So we didn't allow the head of the Himalaya to be bowed down. Jhukna is bowed down. मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. We were dying, but still that courage and bravery was there. And now this country is your responsibility. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. There are so many opportunities. There are so मौसम is season, so many seasons. To be alive, जिंदा रहने के, जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. But to sacrifice our life for our country, this opportunity doesn't comes daily. रोज means daily. मौसम and रुत is season. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खूह में नहाती नहीं. So the youth which doesn't sacrifice and which doesn't give their blood for their country, so it is defaming the beauty and love for the country. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Today our land, our motherland is like a bride. Dulhan means bride. So why the soldier are saying like this? Because all four sides, everywhere, the blood is there. The soldiers' blood is there, which they sacrificed for the safety of their country. So that's why they are comparing that with the bride, because bride also wear the red color cloth. राह कुर्बानियों की ना वीरान हो तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले. So Raha means path. So this path should never be deserted. Viran. तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले means काफिले is group. So the group of people should keep on coming on this path. So which path? From where the soldiers go to protect their country, to sacrifice their life for the country. फतह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है. फतह means victory and jashna means celebration. So the celebration of the victory is after we will die. जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले. So now we are meeting the death to save our country. बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Tie the shroud on your head. So kafan, it's like the white cloth which we use to cover the body, dead body. So tie the shroud on the head. अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Now this country is your responsibility. We are going now. खींच दो अपने खूह से जमी पर लकीर, इस तरफ आने पाए ना रावण कोई. So draw one line with your blood so that the no enemy like Ravan should enter our country with the bad intention. तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे. Break the hand. If someone is coming with the negative intention, then break that hand. तोड़ दो, break. छू ना पाए सीता का दामन कोई. Nobody should touch our motherland. So motherland they are symbolizing as the goddess Sita. राम भी तुम ही लक्ष्मण साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. Countrymen, now you are Ram, you are Lakshman, and now you have to protect this country. Thank you.